Good morning, Tube, and welcome back to another edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Let's get into this. What is up, guys? Today is Tuesday, my 6th day working in a row. We are back on to regular times here in California, guys. So we are reopened. So that means we are open 7 days a week. That means I got to work 6 days a week because I'm short-handed. Oh, well. So we're headed back to the shop right now. Right now it's about 8:45. We opened at 9 o'clock. Woke up this morning, bunch of appointments somebody made. Somebody's messing with us. You know, it's unfortunate that people have time to do that. You know, like, I don't know why people do that. Why would you go on somebody else's schedule and just make a bunch of random appointments thinking that they're not gonna figure it out and you're gonna sit around and wait for them, or it's just stupidity. It kind of pisses me off. I have an idea who might be, you know. It's just ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. They would take time to make fake names, fake phone numbers, fake email addresses, and then everything bounces. You know, that's just a good thing about a booking service, guys. When you have a booking service, it's going to ask for a name, first name, last name. It's going to ask for their phone number. It's going to ask for their email. And the reason why it asks for a phone number and email is because the phone number is going to text them back and give them a confirmation, and the email is going to send them an email to confirmation. Now, if that email is no good or fake or something, then it's going to bounce back to you and tell you this guy made an appointment, but his email is no good. Usually when that happens, I already know that's a fake account. You know what I mean? And what I'll do is I'll look at the email address, and if the name is off or something a little bit, then I'll say, okay, maybe they wrote it wrong. But if it's totally different, like this guy made 3 appointments, the same one, made one for today, one for Thursday, and then one for Saturday. All prime times, same name, and then for the email, he put Big Al's Barbershop, Hotmail. I was like, stupid. Like, it's just dumb. It's just dumb that they're wasting time doing that. And, you know, I try to be cordial about it, and I sent them a text messages asking them, did they make those by mistake, and none of them had responded. So obviously they're all bunk appointments. So right now when I get to the shop, I'm just going to cancel them all. And then today, I think I have 1 valid appointment, and there's like 5 of them on there. So I gotta go through there and clean up those appointments. It's all right though. I'm not even stressed out about it. I don't even care. It's just hilarious. I find it funny that there's people out there that take time to do shit like this. You know, take time to try to ruin your day or change your day or change it up for you. You know, it just, to me, it's hilarious because I think it's hilarious that there's people out there that have time for that. You know what I mean? Like, I don't have time to go fuck somebody else's book up. I really don't care. I would never do that to another barber anyway. I think it's dumb, foolish. I think it's childish. And but you know what? Everybody's different, I guess. You know. But if you are out there and if you're one of my subscribers and you were on here and you saw this video and you're doing it, that was a good one. That's a good one. But there you go, buddy. If it is you. If it's none of you guys, don't worry about it. Scratch that, guys. But I'm going to go to McDonald's right here, grab myself a nice coffee, and grab myself a McDouble. Not a McDouble. A McMuffin. Get to work, guys. See what happens today, guys. Today is Tuesday. Let's do this. Gonna get some lunch right now. It's a little local taco spot right here. I'm treating biz today. Got a haircut. Did I tell you guys tomorrow I'm doing a demo? Doing a demo tomorrow at Birners Barber College in Pasadena. He's one of the instructors there. I forgot his name. I'm sorry. I know he's gonna see this, but I forgot his name. But tomorrow we're doing a demo. We're doing a demo out there, so we're driving out there. Me and Dave are gonna go early in the morning. We have to be there at 8:30 in the morning, and it's actually a demo that's gonna be done over Zoom because, of course, right now they're not allowing students. But we're gonna go down there, and I'm gonna cut Dave's hair. I'm gonna give him a taper, show him, do a little bit of scissor work, and just do a demo, and probably Q&A. They're probably gonna ask a lot of questions and stuff like that, and should be interesting. And then it's kind of cool because Dave's going with me, and Dave's my apprentice, so they're gonna talk to an apprentice also. So it should be really good. And then after that, the wife's going with us too. So after that, we're gonna head over to downtown LA. Looking for a graphic designer to design some shirts, guys. I'm finally gonna get these shirts off. I'm gonna get some shirts, some merch going. Me and my wife are gonna get some merch going for the channel. Definitely some of those. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna see. We're gonna get some. I got some good ideas for a grind on shirt. So everybody's asking me, we should make a shirt that says grind on. So definitely this is grind on shirt coming on. So stay tuned, guys. When they drop, you guys will be the first ones to know. But I'm headed back to the shop. It's been pretty much a wash today, guys. Seriously, I haven't worked Tuesdays in a long time. So right now, you know, it's been slow. There's been nobody there. I've only done one haircut, and Biz only done one haircut. Plus, I cut his hair and he cut my hair. So, you know, it's just a dead day. You know, I already put up some ads on Facebook. I put up some, I did some stuff on my Instagram. I actually sent out a push notification, just letting everybody know that we're working today. So, you know, it's been a wash so far, but if we could get it, the way I look at it on a day like this, guys, if I can make $100, I'll be happy. You know what I mean? If I can make $100, I'll be happy. Just for today, because it's already been a dead day. So we'll see what's up. Right now I'm at 25, so I'll let you guys know. But I'm gonna head back to the shop, see what happens over there, guys. I hope you guys are grinding today. I hope you guys are having a good day. Let's go. Cleaned up the station right now. Check it out, guys. The 2 main hitters right there. Still on the chase. A little younger, perhaps some of the biggest companies in the world modernize the supply chain. Using the cloud, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, optimizing from end-to-end in real time, creating amazing customer experiences. So, really on their applause. All right, guys, there it is. Larry, here goes your little care package, buddy. Hope you enjoy it. Put it to work. I want to see some progress from you. Sending you out the Babyliss shaver. I'm gonna send you out this peanut that I had extra lying around here, and I threw in some Big Al's Barbershop stickers. All right, good luck, buddy. Okay, boys and girls, that's it. This day is over. This Tuesday is over. This week is finally over. Tomorrow is my day off. Not much of a day off, though. I got a bunch of things I got to do. So, first thing I got to do in the morning is I'm going to go do a demo. I've done demos in the past. This is probably I think it's my third demo. Never done a demo on what are they going to do? Skype or whatever it is they use nowadays. Zoom. It's going to be a Zoom class. So, but I'm going there live at the school, Birners School. And let me show you what I'm taking with me, okay, guys? Let me show you. So, I got my case right here that I take. My Vincent case. My daughter got me this for Christmas a couple years ago. Very nice case. This pops up. This is the lineup I'm taking. Got my clips right here. Duster. I'm taking my 19. Taking the Bablis. Taking my Octane, of course. Taking the new Gamma. Taking Shaver. And then I'm taking Old Faithful. And the GTX. That's the lineup that gets to go with me, guys. So then this thing goes up on here. Right here. And here's where I take the essentials. I'm really not taking too much. I'm taking a number 2, 1.5, a 3 metal. Taking my half clips. I got my clips over here. I have a straight razor. I have 2 combs. 1 comb for the top. 1 comb for clip over comb. I got my scissors. I got my thinning shears. I got my baby brush. I have some clips. That's pretty much all I'm taking with me, guys. Without that, I think I could do a haircut, even if I forget something. I always forget something. I got my hair dryer right here, blow dryer. Taking the blow dryer. Taking some gel. And I'm going to take some aftershave and a water bottle, which is empty. Then I'm probably going to take a towel right now, throw a towel in there. But so that's what I'm taking with me tomorrow. I'm taking it with me actually right now. That way tomorrow I don't have to come back. I think that's it, guys. You know that right now. Oh, I should probably take some hairspray. I'll take the hairspray with me, just in case. Never know, hairspray. You know, like you want to make that nice haircut look nice. I'm gonna try to videotape it tomorrow. My wife's gonna go with me, so I'm gonna have her videotape me. That way we can make a kind of a vlog out of the whole the whole me going tomorrow and doing the demo. So it'll be kind of cool. It'll be something good to show for the channel. Larry Santos, I sent out your machines. Congratulations again. I'm glad that somebody young and humble and really needs it got it, guys. It makes me feel good. It makes me feel good that this youngster is gonna put him to work, because I know if he's hungry, like he says he's hungry, I know he's gonna put him to work. So that makes me feel good. So they're on their way. He'll probably be there. He's in Wilmington. Wilmington's not too far from here, so we should get him right away. Probably get him by tomorrow, maybe the day and the next day. Let me know when you get him, bro. Let me know. But I'm happy for you. Congratulations again. He actually said today that he might come down and get a haircut one of these days. That'd be cool. Come down and we'll put you on the vlog, you know what I mean? But guys, that's it for this Tuesday. I appreciate every single one of you. Today was very slow. Today was not a very good day. But you know what? You got to start building it up. Like I was telling Biz today, I'm like, you know what? We just got to build this day back up. I go, we haven't worked Tuesdays and you know, since March probably. You know, when we opened back up in June, we were working it, but it was super slow too. You know what I mean? And I was telling them today that Tuesday was always a very profitable day. Corona, just kidding. So I was telling them that Tuesday used to be a very profitable day, but right now there's no students around. There's a handful of APU students that are here, but most of them are doing online classes, so they're back in their own homes. But there is a significant amount here, but not very many, you know? So, you know what? It is what it is, guys. Like I said, 2020 is about survival. We all got to get through this, progress, and later on, we'll play catch up, build it back up again. You know, that's a good thing about being in the barber business. Even here at Big L's, you know, like there's been times where we were booming, going hard, and then it slowed down a little bit, then go back hard again, and it go slow down again, and you just build it up, build it down, build it up, build it back down. You know what I mean? It's just it's a vicious cycle, you know, and it is what it is. Right now, we gotta build it back up again. So That's what we're going to do. But again, guys, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog.